Hey everyone! If you've ever downloaded a game or app and got an .xapk file instead of APK, you might be confused about how to install it. Don't worry, I'll show you the easiest way step by step. Go to the Play Store. Search for XAPK. Install any trusted installer app. Open the app. Search the app. Tap Install. And that's it. Now you know how to install XAPK files easily.